the Sheraton Hotel, just a walking distance away from Disneyland. We partnered with Getaway Today to book our trip, and we're going to show you how you can book through Getaway Today and save money on your next Disney adventure.
Hey guys, here's a peek at our room at the Sheraton Park Hotel at the Anaheim Resort. And as you can see, these are really nice rooms. We love this resort because it's literally a 10-15 minute walk from the park. So easy. And they're also really, really nice rooms. Lots of storage space, great for families. Closet space, which we never use because we're at the park the entire time. We pack really light on these trips. We love to fly in, go straight to the park, and we actually really spend very little time in our room, but it's nice to have a nice room when you need it. The showers are great. Very happy with these. They've got the bathtub handlebar and just kind of a little hint of Disney magic in these rooms, as you can see. Nice bathroom area. And then again, just really our main reason for loving this hotel in particular is the comfort and closeness to the park. And when you're walking back from the park, you actually go right by a little CVS, which makes it nice too to pick up things for your room because they've got these refrigerators right in the room, which also makes these nice rooms for families because you can kind of keep everything that you don't need to carry around right here back at your room. They've got a sofa that is a sleeper, and then we went with a king bed this time. And it's nighttime, so if you get back to your room before the fireworks start at the park, you can actually watch them right from your room here. These are balcony rooms, and as you can see, the view is amazing. You can look right over to Guardians of the Galaxy right there, and you can see the big Ferris wheel and the fireworks at night, which is really neat. So another reason that we love this hotel, as Lauren mentioned, we booked this through Getaway Today, and I'm going to share information with you on how you can do that as well. This is the Sheraton Park Hotel at the Anaheim Resort. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.